is the Beretta M1951. KSDGripUSA.com, but these things are supposed to be custom cut and made over in. They're wood grips for the gun. And I'm going to take these off, try these wooden grips on it. Really nice grips. Beautifully done. So let's drop them on here. Let's get the other side on. We've taken our grips off. We're going to take a little bit off the top of each side of these grips just to remove it. You can see where it was kind of pressing on it right there. So we want to work this down. We want to keep it nice and level as we work this down so that we can remove a little bit of material off the top of this. Okay, so now we have our clearance. So what I have is some Minwax wood finish, and this is a semi-transparent, and this is a gun stock 231 is what I'm going to use on it. We got it all put back together. Fits really good. Look at there. Now our slide functions and works no problem at all. We got a nice little spacing in there. It's nice and even. Actually turned out really well. The Beretta M1951.